I was working on a little Yamaha Exciter jet boat starter bendix today. If you hadn't ever seen one of these taken apart, this is my first time, but you got a little clip, then a spacer. I'm just going to go through it and pull it all apart. Collar, then a spring, and then this twist apart. Let me see if I can do it holding the camera. I don't know if I can. Pardon me. Let's see if I can get it to come up. Oh, this ain't going to be, well, I guess I ain't going to be able to get it apart with one hand. Here we go. Alright, so it twists out, and then it comes out. And then you got the little things that spread out, I guess the weights. So this is what a starter looks like for a Yamaha if you've never seen one taken apart. I know it's not a great video, but I just thought it was pretty neat for the first time, and I just got to clean it because it was sticking and all that with the water intrusion. Okay.